Hi guys, it's Mrs. Nugent. Just with some directions for how to complete your types of government mini project, depending on where your teacher is. So like for my classes, it's in week 11, okay? But look for this blue icon, and that is your types of government mini project. It's just gonna be a quick little short project that you guys are gonna work on for the rest of the week. So the first thing you guys need to do is click here to make a copy. It will take you to a page that looks like this, and guess what? You make a copy. You do have to be logged into your school email for this to work, so please, please, please make sure you're logged into that. So I make a copy, and this is what it should look like. Right up here, what I like to tell my students to do is change copy of to your first name and last initial, or first and last name. So I'm just going to put Mrs. Nugent. For your types of government, you can write your name right here too. Okay, and what you guys, except spell your own name right, Mrs. Nugent, geez. All right, and then what you guys are going to do is, there will be the video right there, but you guys are going to fill out each one of these slides. So the first thing you're going to do is give me a definition for democracy in your own words. We've gone over what a democracy is, okay? So put it in your own words. You might have to do a little bit of research or go back and watch some videos or look at some of the materials that we posted to give that definition. It needs to be in your own words, okay? We don't want something copy and pasted. You will get no points for copying and pasting. Then give me two characteristics, okay, of democracy. So here it might be that the people get a vote, okay, or get a say in things, okay, and there are elected officials or something like that. And then an example of a country that has a democracy. Please do not use the examples that we gave you guys, okay? So don't use the United States. Don't use Nepal. Those are the two examples that we gave you. Give us something else, okay? Then here on the next one, you're going to insert two pictures that represent democracy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Insert, Image, and I'm going to search the web, okay? And I might just type in democracy. I also sometimes like to put clip art because that gives you some good things, okay? So like I really feel like this is a perfect picture that shows what democracy is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize it. I'm going to put it over this caption. And then I'm going to say, I chose this picture because people get to vote in a democracy. And if you need to change that around, cool, but you do need to tell us why you are choosing that picture, okay? You can move these around a little bit if you want. You can make them bigger. Okay, just make sure you include a caption and a picture. You need another picture. So I'll just do that again. Insert, image, search the web. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing for monarchy. Definition, two characteristics, example of a country that has a monarchy, find a picture. Finally, I'm going to do that with dictatorship. Okay. Then I'm going to answer these two questions. How are democracy, monarchy, and dictatorship different? So give me 3 sentences on how they are different. Okay, and 3 sentences for the next one on how they are similar. And then you are done. If you want to add more information to it, that is up to you. But then what I'm going to do is I have this. Once it is complete, let me show you guys how to turn it in. Okay, I do need to log into someone's buzz really quick, so let me just do that really quick. Shout out to Noelle Sanderson for letting me use hers. All right, so the way that I'm going to turn this in is I'm going to go down to the submission box, okay, and I'm going to hit this plus sign. There are 2 ways to do this, so I'll show you both. The easiest way, okay, is to go back to your document, and I want you to share it with your teacher. So if you have me, you would just type in D. Nugent, and there I come up, okay. You could also share it with Mr. Horton by typing in NH. There he is, N. Horton. You could type in Miss Dorman by saying J. Dorman. Okay, there she is with the sunflowers. Mr. Wilkinson, okay. Don't do all of these, just do your teacher, or Miss Hall, MH, okay, and she would pop up. Share it with your teacher if you're going to share it as a Google Doc, but only share it with your one teacher. Don't share it with all, please, okay. But what you're going to do is you will share that with your teacher so they can see it. Then you'll go here, choose Google Document. And then mine's going to pop up right here, okay? If I look at this and I say types of government, yours should pop up. I have a lot of documents and stuff. So here's mine. I can see my name right there. I click it. I click select, okay? It's on there now, and I can submit my work. The other way to do it would be a PDF. This is the easiest way. I highly recommend doing this, but make sure you share it with your teacher first, okay? If you don't want to do a Google Doc, what you could do is you could go to your presentation, okay? You can click File, Download PDF. Again, File, Download PDF. And it is going to download as a PDF. Mine is here at the bottom of the screen. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think you can. But then I'm just going to click Add an Attachment, attach a file. You guys should know how to do this. We've done this a couple times. So you can either do it as a Google Doc or as a PDF. It's up to you. I'm going to bring up my downloads. I'm going to find it. As soon as my download, there we go. I'm going to click Open and Upload. And there it is. Okay, so you can do either way. I prefer the Google one because it's less downloading. Just make sure you share it with your teacher first. Make sure you are done with it before. This is going to be worth 20 points, okay? If you want to know the point breakdown, basically you get 2 points for each slide, except the last two are worth 4 points. 4 points, okay? If you have any questions, please email your teacher. You can also email me if you want to. I can help if you need it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck on your project, guys.